You can create schedules of the different exams that you have planned for the classrooms on Intract app. To do so, click on the exam feature and then select the classroom you want to create an upcoming exam for. Then click on either create an exam or the add sign at the bottom right corner. Give the exam a title, select the subject, description if any, and then select the start date and time. Then click on submit. It will create the next exam or the upcoming exam for the particular classroom. If you want to edit any detail here or delete the created exam, then click on the three dots that you see on the right side of the created exam. And from here you can either select edit and edit the test or exam. Then click on submit, or you can delete the created exam. Thank you.